Okay, what I finally got put together is my USB fuse. The fuse that works on the USB port to protect it from overdrawing the currents or some shorts on the power rail. It's very simple, very easy to make. As you see here, I got these three things here. These three pieces here. This is the holder. This was connect the wires that don't go to a component, but it's supposed to be connected together. This is the fuse. So there's like three of them. So there's three different colors, three different wires. Green, white, and black are the ones that we got connected to the together, going to nothing, but has to be connected so current flows. So they do that, and then the red wire goes to the fuse. In between the two cords, it goes the fuse. It's half amp or 500 milliamps. That's how much the USB 1.0 can handle. Now, if this is USB 3.0, you can put a 1 amp fuse in, and then you have to have more of these push-in connectors. They're not that hard to use. These push-in connectors, you don't have to crimp. All you have to do is take the wire, and if you can't put it in there pushing it in, take a little tiny screwdriver, have the wire in there, push on the screwdriver, have the screwdriver push the wire in farther, and it'll work. Hopefully, if this is the right gauge wire. Of course, this one here was, so because it works. And I can plug it in, I can show it to you. I would have hooked my phone up to it. Okay, you got this in here. Connect this. This is my phone charger. Connect it to the female connector. This fuse cord staying together. Plug it into the computer. And take my phone.
Cold in here, Justin. Are you cold?
No. If I heard it's connected.
What?
Well, I'm making video.
Did you take your medicine?
Yes. You heard it. You heard it makes noise when I connected it to the cord. It works. Free. Get. See if I can find it. I'll try to plug it in again. Put the screen at the top there, so it should come up saying USB debugging enabled. Oops, try it again. There we go. See, it works. And it doesn't blow fuse with the phone on it. I'm surprised. I think the phone draws more current on it. If it has more charge, it's not going to draw that much current from the USB port. I don't know if it does. It may only if it's shorted together and knows that it's not hooked to a computer. The data pins are shorted together, not hooked to the computer. Doesn't hook to the charger, so it draws as much current as it can. But when it's hooked with doing USB signal, data signals, it will use 500 milliamps. Okay, the next test we're going to do is we're going to take the power supply and we'll pretend this is our computer that has USB port on it. we don't want to use the computer because if it shorts it out, it could possibly break it. So what we'll do is use this power supply here. As we'll say, our computer has the voltage over here, measurement over here, current measurements there. Now, if the current measurement stays high, it doesn't go away after plugging in this cable with a short on it, then that means it's not working right, and it won't protect it. But if it goes back down to where it's like now, it should work. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. And what do you know? It works. Now let's measure the voltage, shall we? Okay, here I got my meter right here, my digital voltmeter I use in my videos, and I'm gonna measure it. If it didn't break the connection, we'll get 5 volts on there. You'll see 5 on there. Right now it's at 0.00. So let's measure it and see if we still get 0.00. If I measure from here, that means indicate that fuse blown. And look, where you know, no voltage. That number is just after the decimal point, so it doesn't matter. It's just probably the meter picking up some kind of static around it. So unknown voltages, like meters sometimes will pick up. It's because of the transistor gain and stuff like that. Anyway, and that's basically how the fuse blown. Well, let's try putting it in. I'll put a new fuse in and see what happens. See if I get 5 volts then. Okay, I got the new fuse put in. Let's hook it up and see what happens. And we know, get 5 on the meter. See the 5 volts. So it does exactly what it's supposed to do. If there's a short or too much current flowing, it'll break the connection and it'll prevent the device from hurting it. If I made this before, I probably could have had that one computer still working today. Because a long time ago I was messing around with it. I don't remember what I was doing. Probably check the first video out. You'll hear me talk about this. And what happened was that something happened with the voltage. When something happened, a short circuit or something, and it messed the whole thing up. Maybe it couldn't turn on. This will prevent it from doing that because it'll blow the fuse and it'll break the connection between the computer and the device. So I think that's about it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.